Welcome to Rosam Academy, where knowledge makes you create. Welcome to today's session, today's video, where we are seeing a very interesting thing which is related to the beautification. And in the beautification, where the most important things are to do touch off with the model pictures, actors, actress, or in the entire advertisement and modeling industry. Overall, it's a digital makeup. We call it as a digital make. So that thing we are going to see with the very simple way and only one tool. That tool we are going to explore in today's session. So you can hold till end, so you will get overall result and you can see the entire process inside this video. So if you have any question, you can write down inside the comment, and I will like to give you that answer to you. So definitely you can check till end, and we are going to start this video now. So let's start. So this is one of image I picked up for our session. So you can see there is some spots, dark spots on the face. We don't know it is artificial or it is natural, but still there is a task we are going to do. So you can see there are so many things there need to be fixed, like there is some eye issue over here, or these are the spots. So this session is really quick. You can spend a little bit time with the footage, or you can start your practice at your home. Just watch the video and start doing your practice. So slowly you will get the idea how this tool is work. If you are going to paint or if you are going to clean up this thing, the spots and everything, which is really important. Even so many photographers are facing the struggle to doing this kind of work. So yeah, it is also important how the person experience is there. I will like to give you entire brief. We are going to remove this thing from the face. So first thing first, let's make a duplicate. So Control J to making a one more layer as we are going to paint this thing. So let's observe the things, how we can manipulate and what we can do so we can get that result. So for that, I would like to introduce today's really interesting tool called Spot Healing Brush Tool. So this is the one of the best tool where you can see the spot and you just remove the thing. It will remove the things from the respective area. So before that, we need to take care of some settings at this. So I will like to show you some brief and inside of this tool. So you can check some hardness. So I'm going to add some hardness with this tool, and I will put some patch over here. So now you can see patch is removed and the things are okay what exactly we wanted. So you don't need to press anything else, just select on the Spot Healing Brush tool. You can also press J on the keyboard and just press this button. So slowly we'll start this thing and let's check how much time it will take. So I was roughly counting the time. So let's begin. Slowly you need to just focus on very zoom area and just do the patch. So wherever you do more zoom and you painted across this particular area, then you will get that result which is really realistic. I will like to prefer to go inside more detail, because that's why our Photoshop team crafted the zoom option over there to go inside the zoom with a maximum level, even 1 pixel very close to your face, and you can paint on that particular pixel. So I am personally preferring and following this method from many years when it is coming to work with the films, advertisements, some of commercials, or VFX films also. These are really important when we are working with the more detailed stuff and we need to go inside the footage and check what are the results we are getting. We started with the face, so let's finish the face first and just do the things. So there is also black and white method. I will like to share that method also in the different video. So today's video only we are focusing on the one tool, likely mostly on the all videos which is posted on the YouTube channel right now, which is very focused on the particular tool. So my intention is like that, so you will understand the tool with traditional method, digital method, and some of properties inside that. So that is my first initiative to helping you guys to understand the basic tool. Definitely it is for the beginner, so that's why I'm trying to give you from the very basic level and sharing the knowledge with you. So I'm hoping that you are subscribing to the channel and sharing with your friends, so they are also getting this kind of knowledge with our Rosal Academy channel. So please do it and subscribe to the channel also. So let's come to the point, finish this thing. So again I will add some texture, and with the help of some softness you can add size of brush, you can add some softness and hardness from here. So this thing we are going to, so this is currently 40 pixel of brush and we are painting on the very zoom level. So yes, where I'm painting you can see the very big patches over there. I need to work more precise with this. spot healing tool again and make our brush more hard, and with the hardness the things are okay and it is working well with the textures. So there are also one method that everything is not supposed to be done by the one tool. We can also use the rest of the tool. So as we are posting videos on YouTube channel, on the Roadstone Academy channel, so it is till now it is all about the tools. Right now we are understanding the things, how the things are actually working. So you keep doing the practice with your time, and if you have any problem, do the comments on the channel on this video also, so I can also figure out what are the problem you're facing with and what things are really wanted to know from my channel or from my end. I will definitely wanted to help it out for this. So I am making more quickly just to understand how the result is going to come. It's very quick. You can see this thing is making our work easy, not so much complex. You can do easily this thing. There is a one thing is involved. There is machine learning is involved. They are understanding the pixel. They are grabbing from the outer part of this area and they are putting inside the area. So this is also a kind of AI process is there. It is happening in very minimalistic way, and I'm also using a very quick, very rough, but you can see the result are there. Let's press J again for our tool, which is spot healing brush tool, and let's do this video. We are also happy with our result right now. Some textures are there. We are going to play with it and we'll get that details also. For that purpose you need to definitely have the some kind of knowledge and also observation. What are the things really we are going to use from the rest of the footage, so that we can see there is also some points of patches, and we are going to fix this thing is to brush shop. So we are working with the soft brush right now. Okay. I can use other tools also, but still my focus to work on only one tool, so I'm not going in the other tools. I'm preparing to focus and only working with the one tool, so you will get to know that how the one tool is also making impact. Just imagine like that this is only one tool and there is nothing to do with it, so there is no chance to play with other tools. Only with this tool we need to fix this thing, and yes, definitely there will be a sometime struggle. So how we can do it? So let's try more stuff normal, and we are adding this thing. So I'm making more quickly. This is quickly done. Yes, fine for us. And yes, no black spot, nothing. Some doubling things are there, so we need to go more detail and some kind of precise work we can do over here. So I think we are close to the finish, and also I'm adding some textures to what are the unwanted things we can do. So also I would like to finish this thing. Let's use a paint tool which we just saw from the yesterday, and I'm just dragging and using this patch, making some selection, going back to the spot healing tool and just adding the texture like this. I'm focusing on more precise area. So let's check what are the results is there. So I think I like the result, but still there is something to adjust. Yeah, we can go with this result also. If not, then we will skip this area and we will check this part in the other video, because this kind of makeup things are also coming up in the coming series. So definitely we are going to see this thing, and you can see our result. We are also removing this patch or spot for here. So now we have 1 and 2. The original one you can see on the screen, which is really zoom or this way. The previous one and the current one. So this is how we easily picked up some points and using a spot healing tool, and we are getting a very better result to remove with this particular spots from the face. So this is the one of the most quick tricks, which is using digital beautification. Yes, definitely there is a traditional beautification is there, and this is the process where digital beautification is there. And yes, it is happening in the world of digital, where you might be don't know, but yes, this is happening for the films, advertisements, commercial, everywhere. It is not only for the one image, it is for the entire video. Suppose some hero, heroine or actress, very famous actress, they wanted to keep their age aligned, like they wanted to look like a young, so they spend the money with the process of this kind of digital beautification. And it is also done by the so many production houses for their commercials or the live shows and so many things. It is involved with the digital makeup actually. So that is so many things behind the screen is happening, but this is only the very basic and practical way. So every individual can learn easily this process with the help of one image, and you will get that hands-on practice to use this thing with the help of spot healing too. So this is how we just finish off with the process of beautification, and the task was really simple. It is just we are removing this spot from the face. So hope this thing really helping out to you, and yes, this content is also making some values to you. Thumbs up from your end, subscribe to channel, and also share with your friends. So see you in tomorrow's video. Till now, bye.